It's a competition, no doubt. A race, this race never ends. There's no clear winner or loser because it never ends. It's just going to keep, the competition keeps raising. Over time, one country will lead in a particular area. Over time, another country will challenge and may take the leadership. This is going to go on forever. It is a competition that's global, it's fierce, and it's accelerating.
And when it comes to AI, community of AI developers is very wide and very open. And they share the basic logic globally already. And actually, I don't know how I would call it, but if it's a race, there is a race for implementation.
No, I think we see a huge diversity in the different countries, but at the end of the day, everybody's running in the same direction. Having good technology, having this used in a smart engineering way in order to serve the process and the domain know-how, I guess that's what everybody is running for.